Welcome traders, Petka Trader, Trading123.net. In this video, we're trading the ES here on Wednesday, May 26, 2021. And the market, as you see, is sliding down. And we just entered a trade on 3 contracts with the ATM strategy that we use. And we went short right here at the blue line. We're using the Trading123 support levels, which can be found at our website. Click on indicators and then select support levels. It'll bring you to this page. And basically it measures the prior day support levels. You got your prior open, prior close, prior low. And pretty much trading is all about support and resistance levels, and you buy the levels and target the next level. Like here, you would buy the prior low and it goes up to the prior close. So let's look at our trade today in the ES. So we're short here. The market's trending down just right after the open. Market's kind of weak. It was weak yesterday, and our target is going to be down here to the prior day's low. So let's look at the trade. We're short 3 contracts right here. This is where we got in. And as you see, we're already up $262 when I took this screenshot. So let's look at the next slide. So here's the second slide as we're moving down. As you see, we got a little bit more profit, and we're almost to our first profit level. Now, your profit levels can be anything that you want them to. If you're trading the ES, you want to make $200. I mean, something as simple as 8, 10, and 12, 8, 12, 16, 2 contracts, 8, 16, whatever it takes to make $200. And then to stop, you pretty much got to use, all the market makers know that everyone uses a 12-tick stop, so you got to use something a little bit higher than that, like 15, 16. Because if you use a 10, you'll get whacked. So this trade's continuing to move lower. And let's look at the next slide. So the first target was taken out. We got 2 targets left here, and on these last 2 contracts, we're up $525. We got our stop below our entry, and we're managing the trade, and down we go. Let's see where we go next. So here's the final outcome on the trade. We shorted it here. There's our entry, 41.93, right above the prior close. These are labels on the chart, and you can make them any color you wish. And so we hit our first profit target, our second target. First profit target is 24 ticks, second one's 32 ticks. Came to within a few ticks of the prior low, and we got out the third target at 41.82. So altogether we got 44 ticks plus 32 plus 24. That's a 100-tick gain. And overall profit on the trade was times 100 ticks by 1250. You get $1,250 on the trade. So the sign that the market was weak here was that the indicators showed that we were below the prior open, and it just trickled down, went to the prior close, didn't get no bounce, and just kept going lower. So as I always say, trading is all about support and resistance, and this is a great play on support and resistance using a minute chart. Or no, this is a 3-minute chart, but you can use a 1, 2, or 3. It doesn't matter. 5's too long. So basically you're targeting one support line to the next. Now, about 15, 16 years ago, I read a book that talked about trading. by a trader who was very good and wrote a book on trading, probably one of the best books there is, better than any of the other garbage out there, and basically talks about support and resistance and how trading firms use support and resistance and target support and resistance to trade off of, when they're long, when they're short. So basically, the indicator you can find at our website, and it comes with a video and manual, and within the manual I tell you the name of the book, and it's pretty cheap on Amazon. You can download it as a Kindle also. And the guy that wrote it is now like the head trader of a major institution, runs the whole place. So he's been doing it for a long time and it works. So this would be a one and done trade if you wanted, and it's with our Trading123 indicator here, support level. So go to our website and check it out. So this is Patrick, head trader, Trading123. Hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to sign up for our YouTube subscription here, and like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter and all that social media stuff. Until next time, have a good trading day.